Я їх сьогодні бачив above highway їхав.
Yeah. О, десь кілька привезли. Alright guys, we are back at it. This is the next day, early morning. I believe it is Friday. Tomorrow's gonna be pouring rain, so we actually finally got the roofing guys to cover the whole roof. That way it won't leak anymore. There's plenty of damage already done. So hopefully they get that done today. And just slowly cleaning up the stuff. Pretty much cleaned up all the whole back, the whole front, all the yard, just making it nice and clean, making it perfect, you know. Just gathering everything that we can salvage or whatever to make things a little bit easier while we're still fighting with insurances, trying to figure everything out. But in the meanwhile, we're just, you know, cleaning and finding things that we can recover from the whole accident, helping people around, and just very blessed for all the people that are coming out and helping. There's a ton of vehicles, and you know, all these people that are just being such a big blessing, like the church that's near us, you know, and the whole place got torn apart, but yet they are from morning to night staying around, you know, walking through here, carrying water bottles, food, everything that you can possibly need. So that's just unbelievable. We are very happy that we live in such a great community over here, and really appreciate everybody is doing everything for us, but slowly figuring things out, you know. Still don't know when I'm going to be able to go back to work or when I'm going to be able to do my college stuff, so it's a little bit rough, but hopefully we'll keep pushing forward and, you know, figure things out a little bit further down the road. And it's amazing how this last video is blowing up. Really excited for this channel, just to show you guys our experience. We've never experienced this. You know, there was a tornado that hit here a couple years ago. It wiped out almost every single power line in our street. It didn't really hurt any houses or anything like that. Just all the big trees fell down and all the power lines were down. So this time it's a whole different story. It just plowed straight from East Brainerd, where one of my favorite stores, sadly to say, is completely demolished. There's literally nothing left. I'm just happy that it happened later in the night, so, you know, especially with this curfew going on, that you have to go inside, and the store shutting down earlier. That way people weren't there, because they would all have been gone. I don't know. I'm just blessed and very happy and thankful to God that he, you know, holds his people in his own hands. That's just a huge blessing. But yeah, a bunch of friends that I know, everything got blown away, but they were able to find places where they can stay, so that's a huge blessing. And really great blessing that all these electrical guys and the police officers that are keeping everything going, you know, keeping people out that are not living there. That way traffic's a little bit less, because it's just so hard to move everything out of the house itself. But yeah, thank you guys so much. And if you guys are new to this channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the little bell for post notifications, and I'll keep you guys posted. I'll catch you guys next time. Well, here you go, guys. Check it out. My broski using his truck. This thing is a fresh paint job. It's looking beast out here. I love it. Really nice. I would say the color matched up pretty good. Still do a little buffing here and all the painted areas, just so it blends a bit more, but otherwise than that, it's a nice shine. It's not perfect, you know, it was done outside, so it's done best to its ability. Just glad this beast wasn't messed up or anything like that. We are back at it. This is the next day. We are out here. Little Ezzy over there, my broski, and my other bro. We're cutting this big tree down for my neighbor. It's a pretty big fall over here, so just helping him out, you know, while we don't have any lights or anything. Just running off a generator. Just gonna help him clear this little tree out. So whacking it with this nice axe, using a chainsaw and everything like that. But staying safe. Hopefully you guys are safe. Keep praying for us. We are praying for you. Really appreciate all you guys' support and all the people that are coming out and helping us, you know, bringing the food while we are alone in the house and everything like that, and just moving everything around. It's a big help. You guys are amazing. God bless. We're going to keep moving forward, you know, seeing the bigger picture, and we believe everything's going to be all right. So let's go ahead and cut this tree down. This is Sunday here today. Made a small walk around of the house. Took a little more accessories that we may have needed. Just, you know, if they're going to be tearing it down or whatever they're going to be doing with the house. Just wanted to be all up and ready. So that's all we can do really. Get everything that we need and move it to the area where we'll be renting out. But let's give you a small little walk around on everything that has been done around in this community here. So what is left of, you know, here's our rental. This is my brother's car. If you guys ever need any sunrooms done, check this out right here. They do premium service out in South Carolina, also in Tennessee. They do amazing work. Check it out on the website. It has a bunch of options. But here we go. The roof has a ton of holes because a bunch of different framing, roofing, all the tree and debris flew into our roof and the side of that wall over there. So everything's been tried to cover up and to slow down the damage, which I don't know how much it could actually save since it's pretty bad all around. Our neighbors over here, they were quoted to be just a repairable, so they already got a brand new roof. Rough estimate for this type of house was around $77,000 for the whole repair. They already got a new roof, everything's cleaned up, getting, you know, brand new pool, whole new porch, everything all around, all new flooring inside and out if anything needs to be done. But still don't know about ours. It's kind of hard because, you know, we're living and renting out at an area and just still not knowing what exactly is going to happen with our building, just figuring out the numbers. And it's coming out to the structural engineer letting us know that, you know, they're going to have to tear into the actual building further just to find out what the excessive damage is. So we don't even know what's going to happen yet. The longest process is the wait, you know, just trying to figure out what they're going to want to do. I know there's a bunch of $1 million homes down this way. So, you know, obviously insurance is fighting to save all the houses they can because it's a big disaster that they're going through right now, I'm sure. But I mean, after all the years that you're paying off, this should be able to get covered and hopefully we'll figure out something really soon. And as you guys saw in the previous video, we're able to keep Zeke at our brother's house. That's really happy. We're definitely happy about that. If anything goes sideways, we'll still have a place to put him where they will love him and take care of him for the meantime. And the biggest update so far, they've been able to put up almost all of the electricity poles up Gun Barrel Road, up Shallowford, up this Igo Gap here and Gray Road, which we are on right now. And so, you know, they're obviously pushing forward to get electricity down here, because that's like one of the most important assets that you need while rebuilding a home or anything like that. So I'm gonna take a small trip down this memory lane, I guess. Gone it down this road so many times, and today I was coming this way and I'm like just literally forgetting what the view looks like. Just everything is just so destroyed and too far gone that you don't even remember what is yours, what is not, and just finding different parts of buildings everywhere, sadly. Just left our home. Here's our neighbor's house. Everything torn down. They're gonna be fully demolished and rebuilt completely. Here's a home that was able to stay a little bit longer and survive. Here's some of the homes as well. There's some good friends of ours, you know. Everything's just been pushed to the front of the houses because, you know, they gotta get these trucks into here, figure out all the estimates, and start building. So that is the only way that can get some more progress done out here. And we just took today off, didn't want to really work as much. Obviously it's Sunday, so we're just praising the Lord that we are safe and just moving forward, you know. Look at this house, completely gone. Few walls standing. It's pretty scary, you know. I was told that it's one thing being able to watch the video that I post, and actually being there is just so much more different. It's incredible how scary it is of everything that has happened. But, you know, this can't hold us back. We got to keep moving forward. Got to keep praising God. You know, He did protect us, did save us, and that's the main important thing. You know, all this materialistic things, like I said, it can all be changed. You know, it can be swapped out and everything be new, but not a life. You know, we don't have 9 lives like a cat. I guess you could say. Here's a couple $1 million home that was recently finished built. There's nothing left. It's very few walls as well. Same thing over here. Just terrible. This road is never going to be the same. Everything has been affected, and I believe everybody is going to remember this day and moving forward. And I personally would love to say that, you know, I'm just very happy in the area that I am living in. Being the fact that whenever this all happened, you know, we had fire trucks, firemen going from home to home, trying to figure out, you know, who's hurt, who needs help, who needs rescuing, and just taking, marking down how many people are in the house, if everybody's okay, and then just starting carrying out food, carrying out drinks. It was just an amazing experience. Not the tornado part, but just how close the community came, even in the middle of this COVID-19 virus going on. So, I mean, you know, whenever things go down like this, things touch people's hearts, you know. Things like this, you know, that affect them or don't affect them, and they understand that it could have been them, you know. So they obviously go out there and do the right thing, you know, serve God and help the people that are reaching out and always in need. And really appreciate every single one of you guys. You guys are amazing. God bless. actually dropped off my Genesis and my bro's Audi A5 to the auction. So we don't know when it's gonna get to play, but hopefully I'll go pretty good. And stopping over here, picking up some other vehicles already on the way back. Do some hauling for some people, make some money on the side. But came across this AMG. This thing is just sick. I love these. I really want one myself. I don't know if I'll ever go the mile to actually spend all that money on it, but this thing's legit. Check it out. I love it, the way it sits and everything. The color and the brake pad calipers. The way it looks is just so nice. What's that? Or SL63. I think it's clean. You guys let me know. I'm maybe be on the market, maybe pick one of those for me. I wouldn't mind. I actually don't mind the I forget what they're called, Dodge something. They're in an SUV. They got the Hellcat engine in them. Actually been looking at those a lot. One of my buddies has one. That thing is clean. Look at this RT. It's pretty nice. Almost got one of these. It was a clean title. Good amount of damage. It was front hit, so got a lot of front end damage, so didn't really want to take it. But yeah, this we're out in Atlanta East picking up some vehicles. Man, y'all look at this. Check this out right here. Look at this Toyota. Them swaggin' rims, guys. Man, let's check this thing out. I don't even know what this is. This thing looks sick inside too. It's Camry. This thing is nice. I gotta say, they step up the game with these Camrys years to come. Oh, what year it is. We are pretty much wrapping everything up. We're able to get whatever we actually can salvage, otherwise everything's going away. But sad to say, we're gonna have to be away from this place for quite some time, most likely over a year. Gonna have to figure out where we're gonna live and everything like that. I'm sure we'll figure something out, but everything else already got figured out. People are gonna come and see what they can salvage, clean, and hopefully restore or replace. So I'm gonna keep moving forward. Really appreciate you guys all watching. Appreciate all the support. You guys are amazing. Keep praying for us. We're gonna keep praying for you. You guys are amazing. God bless. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.